Sir Shivakumar sir, namaskaram, vanakkam.
Vanakkam, sir.
Shivanagi Reddy, how are you, sir?
Fine, sir.
Looking forward for your Adumayana lecture.
Yes, sir. Nichayam.
Please.
Definitely, I hope I will fulfill your expectation.
Definitely.
Good morning, Kiran, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, very good morning. How are you?
Fine. Good morning, sir.
Shivanagi Reddy garu, namaskaram.
Sir, namaste.
Rao garu.
Vanakkam. Antarikina vanakkam, sir.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Motilal. Arun.
Dr. Motilal.
Yeah, namaste.
Dr. Motilal.
Sir, namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram.
Sir, good evening, sir. Shyam Sundar, sir.
నమస్కారం అందరికీ నమస్కారం
Sam Sundar.
సార్ నమస్కారం సార్.
నమస్కారం.
ఎలా ఉంది సార్ ఆరోగ్యం?
బాగున్నాను సార్, ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతున్నాను.
వెరీ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ஸ்ரீதரன் சார் வணக்கம். நான் நாகிரெட்டி பேசுறேன்.
நான் நாகிரெட்டி பேசுறேன். நல்லா பேசுவேங்க.
Yesterday your lecture on Buddhist remains of Andhra Pradesh.
Sir.
Very useful and informative. Very wonderful lecture, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
నాగిరెడ్డి గారు,
సార్
నేను మిస్ అయినాను, రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకున్నా కానీ బట్ ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ అటెండ్. ఐ హావ్ సమ్ వర్క్.
ఏం పర్లేదు, మన మామూలుగా ఇదివరకు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడన్నా చెప్పుకుంటా.
విన్నాను బట్ నిన్న వినుంటే బాగుండేది అనుకున్నాను కానీ
సార్
టైమింగ్ సూట్ అవ్వాల.
అవునవును
11 కి ఇబ్బంది అయింది.
తర్వాత మేము కూడా లెక్చర్ సిరీస్ పెడుతున్నాం సార్, సమాలోచన అని.
హలో,
మేము లెక్చర్ సిరీస్ ఒకటి పెడుతున్నాం సమాలో. అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఇది బిగిన్ అయితే మళ్ళీ ఆయనకి మాట్లాడతాలేండి సార్.
అలా రైట్.
హలో సురేంద్ర బిగిన్ అయిద్దా? ఇక మేము మానేస్తాం.
లేదు సార్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేనే హోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా సార్ ఇక్కడ.
కానీ ఉండే శ్యామ్ సుందర్
సురేంద్ర ఊర్లో ఉన్నా.
ప్రమోషన్ వచ్చింది, ప్రమోషన్. నిన్న శ్యామ్
సార్
ఆ పార్టిసిపెంట్ లో 8 మందిని చూసి తలకి పిచ్చెక్కింది. మనదేమో 200 కదా.
అవునవును.
కానీ యూట్యూబ్ లో చాలా మంది అయ్యారంట వాళ్ళు.
సార్ శివశంకర్ సార్,
Yes, sir.
I can give host also, sir. Already given.
Already given host permit.
Okay. అవును సార్, co-host.
ఇప్పుడు చేసేదా?
Sir, can you enable local recording for me?
No. Where sir?
I will give it to you.
Huh?
Sir,
Okay.
already I have given co-host to you, sir.
ముక్కలు కోసుకున్నాను నాన్న.
No, I'm not able to record locally. I just wanted to, if it is enabled, then I will be able to do it.
Our
session is recording, sir.
Shiv Shankar, I think it is not available with the speaker, I think.
Okay, no problem. I will get the recording.
Yeah, they will manage at the center point. Therefore, we could not record it as a speaker.
Okay, not a problem. I'll get it offline later. That's not a problem.
Okay, sir.
This is just to load it to the YouTube. That's all.
శివకుమార్ సార్, శివశంకర్ సార్.
శివశంకర్ బాబు, నమస్కారం. నాగేశ్వర్.
Yeah, you can call me Babu because I am more tuned to Babu.
సార్ ఎవరి నేరం పిడికం సార్ ఇది 1 hour?
Sir, you tell us how much time I have. I will adjust accordingly.
Generally 1 hour and half an hour for questionnaire.
Questionnaire. Can I take the liberty to extend it little further? I have prepared a lot, so probably I will rush through a little bit, but I will try to finish it within 1.5 hours max.
ఓకే సార్. కొంచెం స్పీడ్ అవ్వడం సార్ అప్పుడు
That is the problem with
వాయించండి
me.
నాగిరెడ్డి గారు, ఈ తమిళ్తో వాయించండి మీరు.
నాగిరెడ్డి కిరణ్ గారు నమస్కారం. నాగేశ్వరరావు, ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ కొంచెం కాంప్లికేటెడ్ కాబట్టి గో లిటిల్ బిట్ స్లోలీ, మరి ఫాస్ట్ గా పోతే డైజెస్ట్.
శివశంకర్ బాబు సార్.
బాబు గారు మామూలుగానే చెప్పండి.
Okay.
ఆయనకి తెలుగు తెలియదు.
See, I will go at my own pace.
Yes.
How much I can cover, I will cover and then stop at a logical point. That is the best way to do it. Maybe we can always have one more presentation. That is easier that way.
Yes.
హలో
Yes.
Sam,
సార్ సురేంద్ర వచ్చాడా సార్? సురేంద్ర జైన్ అవుతున్నా అన్నాడు దాంట్లో.
ఏమయ్యాడు సురేంద్ర? సినిమా పోయాడింది.
ఊరికి వెళ్ళాడు సార్. సరే
పర్లేదు, నువ్వు రన్ చేస్తా ఉండు.
నేను రన్ చేస్తాను సార్ ఈలోపు.
ఓకే
ఓకే సార్, జస్ట్ అది షేర్ స్క్రీన్.
సురేంద్ర గోవింద్. నువ్వు అక్కడ కూర్చుంటే దాంట్లో ఇన్నెందుకు 2 దాంట్లో నీ కన్వీనియంట్ ఉంటుందా? అది ఇచ్చేదా? ప్యాడ్ ఇచ్చేదా?
హలో సురేంద్ర, ఓకే ప్రార్థనా శ్లోకం అయిపోయింది. కెన్ ఐ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ టు
కోహోస్ట్ ఇవ్వకూడదా
మీకు ఇవాళ?
నాకు కానీ ప్రసాద్ కు సార్ కు.
వీళ్ళు కనబడుతున్నారు ఎవరు?
ప్రసాద్ గారు నమస్కారం. ప్రసాద్ గారు నమస్కారం.
సురేంద్ర గోవింద్
లేరా?
నువ్వు దేంతో జాయిన్ అయినావు?
సురేంద్ర గోవింద్ అని ఉంటుందా?
ఓకే ఓకే, మోర్ మేక్ పోస్ట్. ఓకే చేసినాను. ప్రసాద్ వచ్చిందా?
అన్నా ఎవరికి నాకు ఇవ్వలేదు.
నీకు ఇచ్చిన సురేంద్ర
లేదు, నాకు ఇచ్చినారా?
అన్నది డాక్టర్ సురేంద్ర గోవింద్
అని ఉంది.
అవును, కోహోస్ట్ ఇవ్వలేదు.
పోస్ట్ ఇదిగో ఇచ్చిన చూడు.
శ్యామ్ సుందర్. దాంట్లో తప్పు పడింది స్పెల్లింగ్. డాక్టర్ సురేంద్ర కోవిడ్ అని పడింది.
గోవింద్ సార్, గోవింద్
సురేంద్ర గోవింద్ సార్. కేవరా సార్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అండి, అందరికీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్
సార్. సార్ సురేంద్ర
సార్, అందుకని
సురేంద్ర కెన్ ఐ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ సార్?
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే. Namaskaram and very good evening to all. It is a warm welcome to who are participating in the interest of the lecture series from the beginning has been organizing by Sthapatya Kala Parishad. Myself, D.R. Shyam Sundar Rao, organizing secretary of Sthapatya Kala Parishad. As you all well known. We are a group of Telugu Sthapatis who are studied in Sri Venkateshwara Institute of Traditional Sculpture and Architecture, maintaining by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, Tirupati. It's my privilege to express the Sthapatya Kala Parishad main aim is to protect, preserve and promote our ancient traditions like sculpture, art and architecture, Vastu and Agama Shastras, as well as cultural heritage of India. A journey from the ancient times to present where we are. Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, we are organizing web lecture series consistently for the benefit to who are interested in the above fields. I hope all previous topics are fascinated and created more awareness to us, which are lectured by great historians and archaeologists. I am very much happy to introduce one more great personality for today's speaker is Sri Shivashankar Babu, popularly called as Babu. He is doing consulting in banking and finance in requirements. Now, in his spare time, being a heritage enthusiast, learning new things in temple architecture, iconography, epigraphy, and history of dynasties. He is part of Tamil Heritage Trust and supporters as docent for Malai Kanchi tours. He is also involved with several regional heritage groups like
Hello.
Audio not.
We missed Shyam there.
Not audible. Sham, you are not audible.
He is back.
మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేస్తారా? హలో సురేంద్ర అన్న.
మోతీలాల్
అన్న
ఒక్క నిమిషం. శ్రవణ
అన్న మీ నెట్వర్క్ పోయినట్టుంది, మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి అన్న.
మోతీలాల్
అన్న చెప్పండి.
నువ్వు కంటిన్యూ చేసే మోతీలాల్.
ఓకే అన్న. ఓకే
నేను చేసేదా నువ్వు చేస్తావా?
ఓకే చేయండి, చేస్తాను మరి కంటిన్యూ.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే. శ్రీ శివశంకర్ బాబు గారు popularly called is doing consulting in banking and finance in requirements. Now his spare time being a heritage enthusiast, learning new things in temple architecture, iconography, epigraphy and history of dynasties. He is part of Tamil Heritage Trust and support as decent Malay Kanchi tours. He is also involved with several regional heritage groups like GCHRG, CVAS, etc. In their heritage works and seminars, he has written several tour guides on Ajanta, Badami, Pattadakal, Aihole for CVAS. At present, he is working on a simple book on Dravidian temple architecture, a guidebook for beginners to be published soon. Most welcome, sir, for deliver today's lecture on Dravidian temple architecture style, comments and innovation in Tamil Nadu. Namaste, sir. You can continue, sir.
Karan Garu, can I start?
Yes, sir. You can start, please.
Yes, you are welcome, sir. It is
Yeah.
our pleasure to listen to you.
Thank you. Good evening, all. Happy to meet all of you in this pleasant Sunday evening, and everybody is fresh after having a nice sleep. So, good time to have a interesting talk. First of all, before starting the session, I'd like to thank the Sthapatya Kala Parishad team for giving me an opportunity. Even though I'm a small boy in this area, and I started learning Tamil architecture and Dravida related structures very recently. They have the confidence in me and then given us an opportunity. For that, I thank Dr. Sivan Nagaridi sir, Shamsundar sir, Surendra, Mohanlal and Kiran and all the others for supporting me and giving me an opportunity. I'm sure I will live up to your expectation and do a sterling performance. Before we go into this presentation, I'd like to set small context information on this. I am not a Sthapati, I am not a scholar, and I am not a professional who is actually working on the ASI department. I am a heritage activist who has got a passion to learn something. So this presentation is based on what I have learned in the past 4-5 years and understood. So if there are mistakes, which you will be able to find many in this August body, please bear with me. This is my gap in understanding, and suggest me to inside the Vimana, outside the Vimana, and how it is structured. This all you can observe. Once you come out of the sanctum walls, you see how many Devapashas there, in what cardinal directions are there, the Toranas, pilasters, sculptures, how it is structured, the towers. That now you know the fixed building blocks, Karna, Panja, Bhadra segments, and then how they are stacked. And the Shikara shapes, square, rectangle, Nagara, Vesra, you will be able to identify. And also see the type of subscreens, where they are located, and thus when it was developed, whether it is part of the original temple or a later extension. So this is how I think in the past 1.5 hours, I have given a brief of how to see a temple and how to understand the architecture part alone. So thanks for bearing with me for a little extended lecture. If you want to get any queries or doubts, you can contact me at this contact details. So any mistakes or blunders done in the presentation, it is part of me. Any good things, basically the credit goes to the books or the reference journals which I have taken. So thank you for the effort. And you can start some questions. If I'm able to understand, if I'm able to answer, I will answer. Otherwise, give me some time. I will note it down and then respond back to you over Facebook. Thank you all. Thanks for the patience.
Sir.
Thank you, sir. This is Shamsundar. Thank you so much for your wonderful lecture with beautiful slide presentation. Now the session is open for question and answers and discussions.
Sir, good evening, sir. Shivashankar, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Suresh Kumar from Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh state.
Yes, Suresh, sir.
Sir, can you give me any reference to the temple architecture from beyond the noted book, sir?
Temple architecture?
As well as books, some reference books, sir. The noted reference books, and also from your side also, sir.
See, many of the content which I have shared here is part of the book I am preparing. Yeah, I'm writing a small book called Handbook for Beginners into Temple Architecture. So many of the content and drawings are from that book only. So this is almost finished into proofreading section. I'll be publishing it shortly in another 1 month. There is one book where you can start reading. And if you see the regular reference books, I have mentioned in the first slide itself saying that these are the reference books which we can see. You can check on that slide and you can start reading them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving a wonderful.
The best reference architecture books, you can start reading Shivanagar Reddy sir's books.
Yes,
That
sir,
is
sir,
what
thank
I
you.
would suggest as the beginning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You earlier told that the Shivanagar Reddy sir is a live example for this temple architecture from Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, Shivashankar. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And
this is
Shivashankar
Kiran
Babu,
Ram.
sir. Kiran Garu.
Yeah, this is Kiran
Nageshwar
Ram.
Rao. I am proud to say it was me who introduced Mr. Babu to our Parishad. And another thing, we could have made this as a 2 parts. It is too lengthy, I think. In a short span of time, one has to digest too many things. What do you think, sir? We could have made this as a 2 parts earlier. It is a small piece of my suggestion.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next time we will complete in this.
Well taken. See, I also underestimated on the amount of explanation required and I prepared more slides. Probably I can take it a little more deeper on the temple architecture part alone at a later point of time. Thank you.
And one more small suggestion. Mr. Babu is well versed in Kalinga architecture, Ajanta, Ellora, etc. Kindly let us utilize him for our further talks also. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
All the
Sure,
best.
sure.
Thank you.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you for your kind suggestion.
Definitely, sir.
Hello.
So I have already done 2 presentations on Konark as well as Khajuraho, which is available in my YouTube channel. And we can also explore presenting on the other Nagara style of temples.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure,
Now,
sir.
I have done 1 presentation on temple malls, the basics of Nagara structure and the temple malls. Maybe we can expand on that and see more. These are available in my YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Kumar Swami from Hyderabad.
Good evening, Kumar.
I missed the previous. Yeah, sir. Very nice explanations. I'm a sculptor from Hyderabad. One of my friend gave me this link to join this. I'm really, very much happy to see your presentation, and it's very nice explanation, sir. Really, I learned a lot from this presentation. And in future, I don't miss your presentations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kumar. Thanks
Very
for
much
the
interested
compliment.
to learn this temple architecture. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, very well
Sure,
explained, sir.
Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Kiran Khan Chaudhary sir wants to talk.
Sir, please.
Kiran Khan sir.
Mr. Shivashankar Babu Garu, congratulations. It is an excellent presentation. And the comparison by showing pillars and each component is excellent. For the beginners, particularly those who are working on architecture, it is an excellent one. My congratulations to you. You did a good job, and you are proficient and efficient in the field. My congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. There is a compliment coming from you. Thank you very much.
One point I would like to add. Yeah, the point is naming the monuments with the king's name is common and quite natural with the Cholas. But we have a Sapalkara temple, Pallipadi temple in our Andhra, and the bodily remains of Chola king, a temple was built.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, see, I missed. I had done a presentation on the Hampi and other areas, but I missed doing the Andhra coastal region. Definitely, I would like, once this corona and everything set up, I will get my car and then I'll be coming to all these places. I need
a point.
Sir, you're welcome, sir.
Most
Sir,
Chola
you're welcome.
example is available in Andhra. That is Sapalkadal. Yeah. Thank you. So once again, my regards to you.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
A very good evening, sir. Shiv Shankar, sir. Pranamas to you. This is Dr. Satvik Mali Patil from Gulbarga, sir, Karnataka. It was a wonderful presentation, sir, especially for beginners, and what do you say, the basics have been very clearly said by you, sir. Thank you very much for the presentation. My question is that you have shown one pond where in the Shore Temple where we had a circular ground plan kind of thing with the Vesara Shikara. So
Right.
what was that, sir? Actually, it was like a unique thing for me to see that. What was that? And what is
This is part of the Shore Temple complex. Just outside the Shore Temple, there is a small pond. Okay. See, again, when you talk about Pallavas, they don't make static sculptures. All their sculptures are living and linked with environment. Okay, if you see the Shore Temple, originally it is a Vishnu Graha. Okay, only Vishnu, and water are all around him. So they try to create that magic with a pond and with a temple inside, and there is a small well also inside that pond. So this is a 4-component, beautiful small miniature temple which is around 4 or 5 feet high, but complete temple, Vesara temple, with all the components, Shatvarka, all the components beautifully defined.
that is the only one, or surrounding the temple, all the 4 sides it is there, sir? The pond kind of structure.
See, this was part of the harbor complex, and then earlier they had only this Vishnu Graha, the open air Sayana Vishnu, and the water flowing all on 3 sides. Later on this area, they developed 2 more temples during Narasimha period. And this is the model for all the future temples of Tamil Nadu.
And another question, sir. Can you give some examples of circular base temple, sir? Which is normally we see in rectangular and square base on the plan. Yeah, you have said that circular base also. Can you
the best example is Madurai Kallalagar temple.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Namaskar.
Sir, Shivakumar sir. Hello. Hello.
Sir, please, sir.
Yes.
Shivakumar,
Sir,
this is Shivakumar, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
can I
this
just speak a few words?
Yes.
Rajaram from Chennai. Babu, I just want to tell you, your PowerPoint was simply excellent. There is no doubt about that.
Thank you,
I don't think
Rajaram.
you could have done any better PowerPoint. It was so much in detail. And anybody, I don't think it even needs a Babu to understand that PowerPoint. That is how well you have done it. Anyone who just goes through that PowerPoint can understand temple architecture.
Yes.
You've
We
kept
all
it very
agree.
simple stage by stage. That is very good. That I just want to tell you that. Job well done, Babu.
Thank you.
I feel so proud
Thank
of you,
you.
that you are my good friend. Yes, thank you.
My mentor and my trainer, Professor Swaminathan, used to stay, and he is a master in PowerPoint presentations.
Very good.
And he is a structural engineer.
Very good.
And his PowerPoints are like temples or sculptures, beautifully architectured. And then he used to say that each slide should stand on its own. Like
He is
heading,
the founder of
description.
Tamil Heritage Trust.
Yes, he is the founder of Tamil Heritage.
Pattabhiraman sir, vanakkam.
Vanakkam, sir. Sir, your presentation yesterday was excellent, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
One
you.
of the best, sir. Swaminathan,
No.
sir, was all praise to you.
Praise for you. He was talking about
praising you
so
so
much
much.
about this after the discussion.
He told me that, see, I thought I was knowledgeable in Buddhism, but after listening to Mr. Nagi Reddy, he's simply fantastic. He's taken from 1st century, 2nd century, spoons, tables, cutlets, plates, and your presentation was one of the best. There is no doubt about that, sir.
No. Now I am withdrawing because our Shivakumar Sarka presentation is excellent in the beginning, at the middle, and at the end.
Sir, Babu sir is very good in presentation. There is no doubt about that.
Yes.
Fortunate thing is we all have good people around us who are all very knowledgeable.
Yes.
They all help us.
Without any jealousy, that is important, underlined.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. So Swaminathan sir is like Bhishma Pitamahar.
Yes,
He teaches
great
everybody.
man.
He's 80 years old.
Yes.
And he teaches everybody. You know, he makes the best PowerPoint. And he
Yes.
was of all praise to you. I'll tell him that I conveyed the message to you.
Thank you so
in
much,
fact,
sir.
we are so happy.
Thank you,
that-
Rajaram.
Yes,
Very nice.
yeah.
Very nice. Shivakumar sir, now give me 1 minute time, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please carry on, sir.
Shivakumar sir. Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Actually, we unanimously congratulate you. And at the beginning, you said that I am not coming from Stapati family, nor I am not a Stapati. Keeping your introductory remark aside, we again unanimously give you a title, Abhinava Stapati Shivakumar Babu.
Dhanyam, sir. Dhanyam, sir.
No, what a wonderful, sir, you have given in either in chronology or in terminology or whatever it may be in articulation, it really stands in the forefront. So far we have heard on temple architecture with reference to temple architecture. You really did a very great exercise, first in understanding terminology, then in an evolutionary pattern, in the sense right from Garbhagriha to the Gopura, and in between various other components. Adding to that is that a dynastic affiliation of the temple architecture is very, very difficult for non-professionals, in the sense non-historians and non-Stapatis. But I say you are culmination of Stapati, historian, architect, engineer, and a good orator.
I'm really happy that I get a pass mark. Really, thanks.
No.
That's a compliment coming from you.
Presentation. It is really a refresher for all of us, sir. It is a refresher for all of us. Though we lived in temples, we built temples, that is a different issue. But what makes people delight is that your presentation is a wonderful feast for all the
You are more than a distinction. You are more than a distinction.
God. Thank you. Thank
I
you. Thank you.
approve Sivanagari's proposal. You got more than distinction. Of olden days, not nowadays.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, I love to get associated with you.
Yeah.
And more and more from you.
Sivanagari's comments.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nagariti, sir, for
Thank
the
you.
guidance.
శ్యామ్, మన శిల్ప కళాశాల వాళ్ళు ఎవరన్నా అడగండి. శ్యామ్
sir.
స్థపతి ప్రసాద్ గారు ఉన్నారా?
ఉన్నారు సార్.
ప్రసాద్ గారు.
Motilal.
సార్ నమస్కారం సార్.
నమస్కారం సార్.
వారిని అప్రిషియేట్ చేయండి మీరు ఒకసారి. సచ్ ఏ గ్రేట్ వండర్ఫుల్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్.
చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది సార్ ఈ రోజు ప్రెజెంటేషన్. ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ సార్.
తమిళ్ ரொம்ப அருமையான பிரசன்டேஷன். இன்னைக்கு we all enjoyed working.
ரொம்ப நன்றி சார். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு எல்லாருக்கும். உங்களோட presentation really a wonderful presentation, sir. I am very happy, but I joined after some time due to my travel, but I really enjoyed, and as Nagariti sir was, it's a real refresher, sir. Thank you so much, Sivasankar Babu sir.
Thank you.
I am welcoming again and again. Please give some wonderful presentations like this on our Sthapatya Kala Parishad platform. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
One suggestion is, Kumar sir, it was mentioned as Sukha Nasi. No stress on Sukha Nasi. It is Sukha, S-U-K-A Nasi. That is parrot speak. Sukha, simple, not stress. That is only small typographical mistake.
Yes. I am learning Sanskrit now to cover this, and a lot of things, how to pronounce it, I checked up with Shankaranarayanan sir, and then I corrected. Sometimes it
Now
comes.
Sivaramamurthy, P.R. Srinivasan, K.R. Srinivasan and R. Nagaswamy sir. Then these Nasis also, Alpanasi, Kshodranasi, Bhadranasi, Dakoranasi, Netranasi, Kitana Nasis, 16 types of Nasis are there.
Correct.
Sir, you please, I am welcoming you, inviting you to Vijayawada. Let us sit on the banks of River Krishna or on the shore of the Bay of Bengal. We can discuss it entire day on architecture. Thank you.
Willing sir. Let it Corona season, I will come over there. Already I have plans for coming to Undavelli and other areas. Definitely that will be a joy to.
I will arrange your talk with the Rotary Club. They are very much interested in knowing all these things.
Sure sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, Kranti sir. Kiran Kranti sir, good evening.
Yes.
Sir, Kiran Kranti sir, good evening. Hello.
చెప్పండి
సార్ నేను సురేష్ అండి. లాస్ట్ టైం ఏపీ హిస్టరీ కాంగ్రెస్ సెషన్లో కలిసాను కర్నూలులో మిమ్మల్ని. ఏం లేదు సార్, అంటే నాకు ఒక చిన్న ఐడియా వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు.
సార్ సురేష్ గారు ప్లీజ్ మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగండి, అదర్వైజ్ సార్ తో మాట్లాడండి, తర్వాత మాట్లాడచ్చు మనం. సార్ మన దగ్గర ఉంటారు. అదే థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్. నాగిరెడ్డి గారు, సార్ ఇవాళ లెక్చర్ ఎలా ఉందంటే మీరు చెప్పిన మాటలకి ఒక మాట కూడా తగ్గని లెక్చర్. ఆ తర్వాత టెంపుల్ సైడ్, ఆలయం సైడ్, ఆ తర్వాత ఆ టెంపుల్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్స్ అప్కమింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి అయితేనేమి, అప్కమింగ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ ఎవరికైతేనేమి ఇష్టమైన భోజనం చేస్తాం చూసారా, అది ఏదైనా సరే ఇష్టమైన భోజనం, మనం ఇష్టమైన భోజనం తృప్తిగా చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఆ విధంగా ఉందండి.
బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది వెంకటేశ్వర, మొత్తం బ్రేక్ అయిపోయింది.
అవునా?
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చెప్పు, నేను ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసి ఆయనకి చెబుతా.
ఏం లేదు సార్, ఇప్పుడు టెంపుల్ సైడ్ ఉండే వాళ్ళకి కానీ, టెంపుల్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి అయితేనేమి, అప్కమింగ్ టెంపుల్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్స్ మెన్స్ కి అయితేనేమి ఈ లెక్చర్ ఇష్టమైన భోజనం, మనం ఏదైతే మనకి ఇష్టం అనుకుంటామో భోజనం చేస్తే ఎంత తృప్తిగా ఉంటుందో అంత తృప్తిగా ఉంది వాళ్ళ క్లాస్.
Yes. Thank you for your compliment. I will now translate for Shivakumar sir. Shivakumar sir, he is actually Mr. Dr. Guinness Sagar.
Yes sir. Hello.
హిందీ వచ్చా సార్ కు? సార్
I can understand.
Shivakumar sir, the man who spoke in Telugu is Dr. Guinness Sagar. He is a faculty member in painting, traditional painting at SV Institute of Traditional Sculpture and Architecture, Tirupati. He says the presentation is sumptuous. It is like consuming sumptuous food. It is good for the learners, good for the what we call research scholars, and the best for the senior faculty members. And it is really a feast for all of us. Convey my congratulations to Shivakumar on my behalf. He is saying, Mr. G. Sagar.
Okay. Pranam sir. Thank you very much for that.
Okay, Reddy garu, I got one more small suggestion. Along with us, a great stalwart, Dr. Sridharan, retired superintendent of State Archaeology of Government of Tamil Nadu. He is also with us, and perhaps he wants to tell some of his opinions. Sir, solungu sir, Dr. Sridharan.
Just to talk a little about Sridharan, he is an expert reconstructor. He has reconstructed so many temples and then documented so many big temples like Tanjavur and Trichy temples. And I would say one of the best things I liked about his presentation is his presentation on Sthapatis, how Sthapatis were identified and then felicitated, given lot of kings' names, and then the sculptures of Sthapatis were installed in so many temples. He has done a detailed presentation on this, covering the entire Tamil Nadu. I would like that with some refinements should be part of one of the future lectures in this forum.
Yes sir, sure sir.
Wonderful suggestion. Welcome sir, welcome.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Babu, sir. Your presentation was very nice and very educative to all the scholars, especially research on temple studies. And இதுக்கு ரொம்ப உதவியா இருக்கும். அந்த தெலுங்கு சபதி கலா பரிஷத்துக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. அவங்களுக்கு தான் சிவநாகி ரெட்டி அவர்களுக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. நிறைய நேற்றுக்கு அந்த புத்திஸ்ட் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் பத்தி சொல்ற போது ஏன் ஆந்திராவில் பிறக்கலன்னு நினைச்சுக்கிட்டோம். நாங்க ஆந்திரா தேசத்துல வந்து அவ்வளவு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார்
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
தேங்க்யூ. மோஸ்ட் வெல்கம் சார்.
தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார்.
Sir, Motilal, Deputy Stapati working in YTD, Yadgiri Gutta Temple Development Authority. Your session is very wonderful, sir. You explained detail in Upapitam, Adhishtanam, Padam, Prastaram, Sikaram, Stupi, and Shadvargas, and detailing all things. Your session is very useful to future generations, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This entire content is coming out very soon as a book, around 200 pages in simple language with pictures. So I hope this guide will be a good
can I talk something
for beginners.
Yes, sir. Please.
I had some reservations about how useful to the learned group and other things. And at least in this forum, based on the feedback and the suggestions which I am getting, definitely this will be a very good reference book for usage. Thank you.
Yes, no doubt, sir. No doubt.
Sir, when is the book about to be launched? Major Narayanan calling.
I have done the validation draft review and the Sanskrit spelling checking with Shankara Narayanan sir. Probably it will take another 1 month or 1.5 months before we start publishing it.
Very good.
Thank you, Babu sir. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Major.
Shivanagi Reddy, sir.
Please.
Sir.
Sridharan speaking. So you have given the title to Shivashankar, Babu. So it's a wonderful, sir. Wonderful. You are giving a very good title for him. We are very glad that you are the person he is getting the title from a respected person like you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the help. Any questions?
You left no stone unturned. Very the scope for asking question.
Sir, when there are no questions, there are only two options. One, people have understood everything, or it went over the head.
Very nice.
With mere stones, Dr. Babu was able to make facts enter into our hearts. Outstanding session.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can I speak, sir?
Yes.
Good evening. Sir, please just after 5 minutes, I am in meeting.
సురేంద్ర క్లోజ్ చేయండి అటైతే ఎవరు లేకపోతే క్లోజ్ చేయండి.
Shall we close the session, please? Yes.
Yes.
So if you still have any questions left, or you can always connect me with Babu for number 4, babu4heritage@gmail.com, or in my mobile number, which is available in the presentation. I'll be happy to answer you if I know the answer. Otherwise, I will again come to the forum and ask you for answer.
Sir, you told that Ashtanga Vimana that we never come across in our terminology of the Silpa Shastra or Agam Shastra.
Yes, sir.
That is, you have mentioned Ashtanga Vimana. That we do not have any such term encountered either in Silpa Shastra or Agama Shastra.
No, this is not a Silpa Shastra term. We use it in a colloquial form, saying that Ashtanga Vimana. Primarily, again, that is also a questionable thing. There are two schools of thoughts. Any temple which is having more than one deity in a stacked form, one school says that it is an Ashtanga Vimana. This is the terminology they use.
Okay. So
Professor Shankaranarayanan and others have a different opinion. What they say is, the moment you have Tvitala, it is Ashtanga Vimana, because the Tala becomes the next layer. Any Tvitala becomes an Ashtanga Vimana if it has got a Upapida. The temples with more than one deity, they are defined under Nava Vigraha Pradishta Vidhi in the Vaishnava Agamas.
Yes.
Vaishnava Agamas. So, in my presentation as well as other things, I have mentioned that it is as per Navamurti Sthabana Vidhi only.
Very good.
There is one class called Ashtanga Vimana and another class called Ashtanga Vimana with Navasthavana Murti Sthabana Vidhi.
Like Panchabera, etc. We have
correct.
Sir, one more thing is that after a long time, in 1975, we heard the term Alinda. Alinda, you told na, that is the hearting portion. And I was student of luckily Sthapati S.K. Achari, who built that Kanyakumari Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and only told all the Adhisthana parts, etc., Kota Kosta Lakshaname, that Alinda is a very, very interesting term, and no other scholar speak of that. We are thankful to for our nostalgic term, Alinda. Thank you.
Okay. See, the problem is, I mix Tamil terms and Sanskrit terms. In the book, I am coming up with a glossary where you have the English term and the Greek term and the Sanskrit as well as the Tamil term. All the four put together so that you don't have any confusion. So I am trying to collate that.
And there is no Sanskrit equivalent for Anivattikal.
Anivattikal, I think there is there. I don't remember.
Because what happened was, it was after 16th century. Even 16th century, by that time, all the books were written. Even Sri Kumara's Selparatna was 17th century. It didn't mention. Earlier things were written well before, by 12th century. All the texts were codified. By that time, it was not innovated. It was an innovation. So it didn't go into text.
So this is interesting piece of history of architecture. This is very good piece, sir. Thank you. Because this is purely technical. I thought they might have put some Sanskrit term for all this, because in Tamil Nadu, in Sthapatis and in many of the other scholars, they have invented a lot of new terms. I had to validate with Shankaran sir and others saying that which is a valid Shastra term and which is the new term used. So,
Anivattikal is Tamil word. Anivattikal.
Yeah, correct. Anivattikal.
Similarly, that Urtaspatita Stamba. Again, for the first time after 30 years, I heard from your mouth. Thanks once again, Urtaspatita. Yes, very wonderful. Kumbha Panjaraka earlier form.
Correct. That's why I put that in sequence. First with Vrutapsupatika and then slowly Stamba Panjara, Kumbha Panjara. That is the chronological sequence.
Kumbhalata, wonderful, sir. Thank you. And you reminded us, P.K. Acharya, that Dictionary of Indian Temple Architectural Terms, both wonderful.
Yeah, that's a very good book. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
Yes. For others, or we can close it.
Please. Anything else?
Hello.
Kunti temple, we have that Virudhaspurigam, and some other temples, even Mamallapuram also we have that Virudhaspurigam. That is earlier representation of. Actually, it's followed from the Buddhist architectural form.
Yes, that is a hangover from Buddhist structure and slowly transformed into a Hindu thing with the Meru concept into Kumbha Panchara.
Yes. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Thank you very much, sir.
Sure. Shyam Sundar sir.
Sir. Hello.
Here, Shyam sir.
Okay.
Please.
Vote of thanks.
Close the session.
Motilal is there.
Yes, Anna. Can I conclude the session?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Babu sir is going
Shyam
to
Sundar sir.
Sir. Please tell.
on 12th September.
May you please put the recording of the session.
So, can I conclude now?
Yes.
Please,
Sure.
sir. Please, Motilal sir. Please conclude the session.
Yes, please.
Babu sir, can you throw light on your presentation on pedestal temples, Madako on 12th September?
Sir, could you please stop the questioning, sir?
Field Sprouts propose a vote of thanks to the today's lecture program. First and foremost, I would like to thank the organizers, Sthapita Kala Parishad, the Council of Telugu Sthapatis, who studied in Sri Venkateswara Institute of Traditional Sculpture and Architecture, maintained by TTD, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, for organizing this wonderful talk. It is my privilege to thank for today's honorable speaker, Sri Shankar Babu Garu, for delivering a very wonderful, nice and highly informative talk on the topic. Sir, your profound knowledge in Dravidian temple architecture reflected in the lecture is very wonderful. On behalf of all the participants, I convey my deep sense of gratitude to accept our invitation and give amazing and wonderful talk with very beautiful slide presentation, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And all, especially Dr. E. Shivanagireti, sir, Dr. Professor Kiran Khan Chaudhary, sir, K.V. Rao, sir, and so many great historians, archaeologists, professors, scholars, sthapatis, sculptors, and architects from all over India and some of abroad. And we are heartfully thanks to our live Facebook viewers also, finally, who have participated in the lecture and discussion, which enriched our understanding of the subject. Thank you one and all. Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a
sir.
nice day.
మోతీలాల్ చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు. ఓట్ ఆఫ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఫార్మాలిటీ, బట్ నోట్ ఆఫ్ థ్యాంక్స్ వీ కెన్ ప్లాన్ నోట్ ఆఫ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ అదర్ టైమ్.
The note of thanks should be coming from me. Thanks for giving an excellent opportunity and a good platform to discuss and showcase some of my learnings. And the benefit is that I am learning so many new things, so many other mentors to talk to and then get and learn a lot of new things. I look forward to another 1 month and meet all of you in person and then spend more time in Telangana-based temples, Alampur and other areas I would like to plan. And there will be definite guidance from you and looking forward to
Yes,
this.
sir. Sure, sir. Most welcome,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you very much.
Introduce the next session. Regarding next session.
Okay. Announce பண்ணுங்க.
Hello?
Anana, next session we check.
Shyam Garu, please announce the topic.
Shyam, next ఎవరమ్మా?
Very good evening to all. As usually, our next lecture is Early Chola Architecture and Iconography by Dr. Madhusudan from Chennai on next Sunday, 9:20. Thank you.
Sir, he is a professor. He is not a doctor. He is doing his doctorship.
He's
Yes, sir.
doing
Professor Madhusudan Kalai Chelvan.
He is a professor. He is an architect also. and he's not a Stabadi but a professional architect, and he does consulting for HRNC, the government, the temple government department, for renovation and restructuring of temples. Even for the latest Tanjore big temple Kumbhabhishekam, before Kumbhabhishekam, he was part of the inspection committee to ensure that the structures and everything are good, and he was part of renovation of many temples, Srirangam and all this. Yesterday, we have instituted an award from THT for Professor Swaminathan award, and he got the award for youngest contributor to Tamil Nadu heritage. So it will be another feather to listen to him.
Sir, we couldn't hear his name.
Mr. Madhusudan
Kalaiselvan. Madhu.
Professor Madhusudan Kalaiselvan.
Professor Madhusudanan Kalaiselvan.
Yes.
He is better than me.
No. He is also equally good. And,
I learned many techniques from him.
And Mr. Shyam Sundar says it was me who introduced him to our Kala Parishad. He is also an excellent speaker.
Okay, sir. Most welcome, sir. Thank you.
Most
excellent
welcome,
selection.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir. All the best. God bless you. Bye bye. Namaste.
Thank
I have more responsibility to make a wonderful poster again.
Yes,
For
yes.
him. Thank you so much, sir.
Can I close
Thanks
it?
to all.
Thanks, Shyam.
Yes, please.
Okay, right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Award recipient. So, sir, no problem. Hello.
Sir, please.
Sir.
అదే ఒకసారి శివకుమార్ గారికి శివకుమార్ గారు.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, sir.
Sir, I am there.
Some problem is there.
I think got
Nagiredi,
stuck.
sir.
Sir, Nagiredi, sir. Mute లో ఉన్నట్టున్నారు.
సార్ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్టుంది.